Hello and welcome to this video on managing incoming and outgoing shipment in Odoo. We will explore the different workflows you can use for both of them. So first, let's go and discover where to find the settings. So first we have to go to Inventory, Configuration, Warehouses, and when you click on the warehouse, you can see here the shipments. In order to see this section, you have to go to Configuration Settings and be sure you enabled here the multi-step routes and storage locations. So let's go back to our warehouse, and here you can see we have the incoming shipments. So basically those incoming shipments here, it's just the default incoming route to follow. So here we have three possibilities. We have the 1 step, 2 steps, and 3 steps. So the first one step is receive and store. So the goods are received and immediately stored in the warehouse. The second one is first you receive the goods, then store them in their designed location. And then here we have receive, quality control, then store in 3 steps. So here, after receiving the goods, they undergo a quality control before being stored. So let's try the second option. And basically this is the incoming shipment, which means we have to go to the purchase order and create one. So here let's create a RFQ for one of our vendors and choose whatever product. So when confirming the order, you can see here that we have the receipt. So for the receipt, you have the first one, which is in. So we can go ahead and validate, but you can see here that we have the next transfer. If you click on it, we have the store one. So here we have 2 steps. We actually receive, then we store. And if I validate, it's now storing in the stock. So if I go and have the overview of the inventory, you can see here that we have the receipts and also we have the storage. So you can click on the receipts and see all the receipts, and here we have the storage. You can see here also all the stored products. So if I click on the receipts, you can see here that the route is from the vendor to my stock. And also here the storage is from the input to my stock. So basically we receive the goods from the vendor and store it in the input. Then we go ahead and apply an internal move from the input to stock. If I go to the warehouses, you can see here, if I just select the 3 steps, we will have 3 receipts. So the first one is the input from the vendor to input, which is a receiving. Then the next one should be from input to quality control, and the third one from quality control to the in storing. So this is for the incoming shipments. And then we have the outgoing shipments. It's basically the same thing, but this time we are actually delivering the products. So that will be seen in the sale order. So for the 1 step, which is delivered, the products is delivered directly to the customer. Then we have the pick, then deliver. So we have to pick the item from the warehouse and then deliver them. And then we will have the 3 steps, which is pick, pack, then deliver. And here the goods are picked, packed, and also delivered to the customer in as a final step. So let's choose the third one here. So I can go ahead and have an overview of my here inventory. You can see now that we have pick location, a pack location, then the delivery orders. So let's go ahead and create a sale order here. If I try to sell something to my customer, they go addict, and here I have to choose the product. Let's confirm, and that will create a delivery. As you can see here, if I click, we should have first pick. And also if I go to the overview of the inventory, you can see now that the pick we have 1 wait-in, 3 late, and 5 operations, and 5 to process. So one of them is the pick related to my sale. If I go back to sales, so delivery from here, you can see that we have to pick it first. So let's pick it. just force the quantity, so we can just go ahead and pick it. Click on the next transfer, and then we have to pack it. As you can see here, the source location is packing zone and the destination will be the output. So validate, then the next transfer will be from the output to my final customer. So let's go ahead and validate it. So confirm. As you can see here, we have the 3 steps warehouse, or the 3 steps delivery. So if I go to inventory, warehouses, and here of course you can set it the way you want based on your needs. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to contact us via the links in the description. Thank you.